In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a watermark into your Word document in a few simple steps. Whether you want to indicate that a document is confidential or still in draft form, adding a watermark can be an effective way to communicate that message on every page of your document. To begin, you'll want to open up the Word document where you'd like to add a watermark. Make sure that your document is fully loaded and you're able to see the content clearly, as this will help you ensure the watermark is placed exactly where you want it. Now, you'll want to direct your attention to the main toolbar at the top of your screen. It's here that you'll find everything you need to customize your document. Look for the Design tab. This is going to be your go-to section for formatting the appearance of your pages. In older versions of Word, you might notice this feature listed under Page Layout instead, so don't worry if you don't see Design. The functionality is the same, just the label might vary. Click on the Design tab or Page Layout, and you'll see a variety of options related to page setup, themes, and formatting. Focus on the Page Background group, which is where the watermark options are located. Within this group, you'll find the Watermark button. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying different kinds of built-in watermarks that you can choose from. The list typically includes common options like confidential and draft. These watermarks are great if you want to signify that a document contains sensitive information or if it's not yet the final version. No need to create a custom watermark unless you're looking for something very specific or branded. Choose one of these built-in watermarks by clicking on it. You'll notice an instant change in your document. The selected watermark will appear behind the text on every page. This means that regardless of how your document is formatted, the watermark will be neatly and consistently placed in the background. One tip to keep in mind: after adding a watermark, it might be a good idea to scan through your document pages. This helps to ensure the text overlay remains legible and that the watermark doesn't obscure any crucial content. If you find that the watermark is overpowering the text, you might need to adjust the boldness or change the watermark style to maintain clarity and professionalism. Just remember that while watermarks are an excellent way to communicate additional information about your document, clear content should always remain the priority. And there you have it. You've successfully added a watermark to your Word document. Feel free to explore the other design options Word offers to give your documents a more polished and professional look. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.